I'm sure. In the city lights, feeling alive. This is the night you find us underneath the stars. This is the night you find us, 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 you find us. This is the night you find us.
What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with OCDetailing. We just finished up wrapping another Cybertruck in a retro olive green. So this color is really cool because at certain angles you do get a matte black appearance, but obviously once the sun hits it, you get all the flake from the green, and it's a matte finish. So honestly, I prefer matte finishes. They're a little bit easier to maintain in my opinion. So this color actually looks really, really cool. I'm actually kind of considering doing my car in this color now as well. So this one is really fun to work with. It sticks really well. If you've wrapped trucks before, you know that getting these edges tucked in a little bit isn't quite the easiest, but this film has really good adhesives. Really easy to install and work with. The finished product turned out really good. Check it out.